Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make a Valentine's stuffed heart. Enjoy the video. How to make a stuffed Valentine's heart. To make this heart, you need paper, pencil, scissors, red felt, white felt, pins, thread and needle, and stuffing. Okay, draw a heart here. Take a smaller paper and draw another one. Cut. Okay, so take red felt, put on fold, put this one, pin and cut. Take the smaller one, take white felt, put here, pin and cut. Okay, like that. This is the red one, this is the white one, the smaller one. So remove pins. This one you don't need to cut on fold because you only need one. So take one of these, put here. So now take red thread and sew here. Okay, like that. So now take this other piece, put here and sew right round with a white thread and leave a space. Okay, it's done. So now open here, take stuffing and insert. Okay, it's done. How to make a Valentine's heart. Maitabasane kuona. Thank you for watching. Nitakurete arigato. Bye.